Welcome to Healthism on the incredible world of health and the human body. In this video, we're going to explore 50 fascinating facts about health that will amaze, educate, and perhaps even inspire you to take better care of your own well-being. From the quirky and unexpected to the scientifically profound, these facts shed light on the remarkable intricacies of the human body, the power of the mind, and the wonders of medical science. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery and appreciation for the marvel that is human health, stay tuned as we delve into these intriguing facts. Let's get started. Here are 50 interesting facts about health. Fact 1. Laughing for 10 to 15 minutes can burn up to 40 calories. Fact 2. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail. Fact 3. Yawning cools the brain, and it's contagious. Fact 4. An adult human is made up of approximately 7 octillion atoms. Fact 5. Human bones are ounce for ounce, stronger than steel. Fact 6. Babies are born with 270 bones, but as they grow, these fuse into 206. Fact 7. The human brain is 80% water. Fact 8. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Fact 9. Your heart can continue to beat even when it's disconnected from the body. Fact 10. The left lung is smaller than the right lung to make room for the heart. Fact 11. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Fact 12. The world's most massive organ is the skin. Fact 13. Red blood cells can make a complete circuit through the body in about 20 seconds. Fact 14. Your liver can regenerate lost tissue. Fact 15. The human body produces about 2 to 4 pints of saliva a day. Fact 16. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. Fact 17. Your taste buds have a lifespan of about 10 to 14 days. Fact 18. The average person's body contains enough blood vessels to circle the earth 4 times. Fact 19. Exercise increases the size of your hippocampus, which is responsible for memory. Fact 20. Your body has enough energy to power a 20-watt light bulb for 24 hours. Fact 21. The world's heaviest organ is the skin. Fact 22. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter, jaw muscle. Fact 23. 1 square inch of your skin contains roughly 650 sweat glands. Fact 24. Human beings shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. Fact 25. Sneezing can cause air to move at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Fact 26. Your stomach lining regenerates every few days to prevent it from digesting itself. Fact 27. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Fact 28. Chewing gum can help improve concentration and reduce stress. Fact 29. The adult human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Fact 30. Heart attacks are more likely to occur on a Monday. Fact 31. A 1-minute kiss can burn 26 calories. Fact 32. Left-handed people, on average, live shorter lives than right-handed people. Fact 33. Human hair grows slightly faster during the day than at night. Fact 34. You can't tickle yourself because your brain can distinguish between self-generated sensations and external stimuli. Fact 35. Your tongue print is unique, much like fingerprints. Fact 36. Fingernails grow nearly 4 times faster than toenails. Fact 37. The human body is host to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the microbiome. Fact 38. Our bones are 31% water. Fact 39. Laughter increases the production of endorphins, natural painkillers. Fact 40. Hiccups are more common in men than women. Fact 41. A healthy human body can generate 15 to 20 watts of electrical power. Fact 42. The human heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. Fact 43. The sound of a heartbeat is caused by the opening and closing of heart valves. Fact 44. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate every day can help lower blood pressure. Fact 45. The sensation of being hangry, hungry and angry is real and can be attributed to low blood sugar levels. Fact 46. Your body temperature is lowest in the morning and highest in the late afternoon. Fact 47. Chronic stress can shrink the brain and affect its functions. Fact 48. Exercising regularly can boost the production of new brain cells and improve memory. Fact 49. Regular physical activity can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Fact 50. Your skin's ability to heal itself is aided by vitamin D, which is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight. These facts highlight the amazing complexity and capabilities of the human body and its relationship with overall health.